Hello, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, Peter.
How are
Peter,
you?
William.
Yeah.
Fine.
Who?
William.
William.
We're
Hi, William.
China Toy Expo.
Hi, William. How are you?
I'm doing well, and yourself?
Good.
Good. So you ready to get this party started?
Yeah, I was excited. So yesterday, actually, by the way, we went out for a good gig, for a good bar.
Where did you go?
You are in for that or what?
It all depends.
No, we had a good jamming.
Okay. So tell us about your company here.
About Hape?
Yeah, Happy. Tell us about Happy. What is Happy all about, besides being happy?
It starts like that, yeah.
Okay.
So it starts with kids and children. Me, myself, I'm looking to you, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're doing this.
Okay, good.
We're live. We're doing this
live. Okay,
on
cool.
Facebook and everything. So
Cool.
we're live. We're doing this.
Okay, good. So happy starts with the word happy. It comes actually from my family name. My family is Hanstein.
Okay.
Hanstein. And my first name is Peter. Happy.
I like that. Put the family into it.
Yeah.
Put the family into it. Yeah.
There's a commitment also.
Okay.
35 years ago, we go to we have a wall in front. It's 35 years. It started in 86 with school supply. We did product for children and little ones and kindergartens and schools. This was the original. And then 93, we moved to Switzerland as a neighbor of Germany. And 95, I already moved to China.
You've been here since 95.
Yeah, 25 years.
Oh man, you got me. You got me a couple of years.
It was like 25 years ago. You was in middle school.
I look good, don't I? I look good, thank you. Half of my age, actually, more than that, actually.
Okay, good.
Germany, what part of Germany?
Near Frankfurt, you know that?
Yeah, I once lived in Germany.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Where?
Ansbach.
Oh, it's Bavaria.
Yeah, Bavaria.
Not far away.
From Nuremberg. Yes, Nuremberg, yeah.
How long?
Oh, about 3 years. About 3, 4
No,
years.
is she Deutsch?
Oh, it's a long time ago.
Okay. Good.
Long time ago.
Good. But we were early to China. And then in 2004, we moved to Canada, then to the US. And then, the journey goes on. Italy. We have office now in France, Japan, England, UK. And
You're a global brand.
Yes, a global brand with offices in 14 countries.
Wow.
Long journey. I told you, 35 years.
But it happened so fast, though.
You think it's fast?
Years go by fast.
Okay, but
Especially when
living
you're
in China, everything is fast.
That is true. That is so true. Most people don't realize when we tell them that. In China, it moves so fast, so rapidly.
Every time you come, you see something different.
Exactly.
I'm on a different location. No, we just changed it.
That is true. That's true. So what's the main product that you started out with, Peter? What was the main core of the business? Yeah.
The main product I started was wooden toys. Germany, after we have a history, we have the first kindergarten made in Germany 150 years ago. The reason even in the English they called it kindergarten. Kinder is a very German word, right?
Okay, there you go. I didn't think of it that way.
You didn't know?
I did.
Sure, kindergarten, the garden, kinder.
Kids outside, kinder playing.
Children.
Yeah.
It doesn't call children garden.
It's called kindergarten.
Kindergarten is a
Makes
German
more
word
sense.
done by Friedrich Fröbel in 1870. He started the first kindergarten. So that's the name and the word come from. We have Waldorf School. You heard about Waldorf?
Waldorf.
It's all rooted in Germany. It's the same family it's the same family the Waldorf Astoria in New York. Same family.
You know them very well.
Not very well, but they're asking a guy who was Rudolf Steiner. As I told you, I worked in the kindergarten school. So all their theories, all their basics was inherited by me, and I tried to convert it into product.
You've done a very good job at it, I tell.
Thank you.
Because always room for expansion, especially now with what going to COVID-19. It's a whole probably different aspect in your industry, no?
But coming back to that, it's China is really quick on adjustments, as we all know.
Yeah.
So I think we're staying here without a mask. We haven't heard the COVID case in whole Shanghai. I mean, how can that happen? 20 million people don't have COVID. I mean, it's nearly unbelievable.
But I think the first test was when SARS happened in 2002. They learned a lot from then and just barely kept perfecting it to when it happened again.
We have green code everywhere and we can show each other I'm clean. It was like, wow. I mean, changes happen quickly in China. So the good thing is we are very quick. I mean, if you make the interview in March, April, I would be a little bit frustrated. Nobody knows what's going on. Now talking to me in October. we are set. We're in
Moving
good shape.
forward, yeah. The only economy that's country that has a GDP is going to increase, from what I hear.
The third quarter is 8-9% up. I mean, the first 2 quarters it's down, but now recovering is there. And I mean, New York fair is postponed. Nuremberg postponed. Biggest toy fair. Hong Kong postponed. We have a toy fair.
Yep, that is so true. That's so true. So show us some of your stuff you got going on here, Peter.
Okay,
How
cool.
about that?
Okay.
How about that?
Let's go. First thing when we went in here is Germany. We have a magazine called Eltern. And we have a co-branding with them, and we're doing a lot of nature stuff. So organic cotton, rice plastic. Let's see. I show you one product. The material here is not plastic. It's based on rice. We're working with rice. We're working with soya bean. This is our baby line. Here we show the raw material for our product. How cool is that? We base the plastic on rice. Same thing we learned from Froebel. This is the simple Froebel block. It's a cube, it's a cylinder, and it's a ball. When you spin the ball, it's a ball. If you hang that and you spin the cylinder, it looks like a ball. If you take a cube, you turn it like this and you spin it, it's a ball.
That is true.
Reasonable. So this is
true.
the basics of Froebel education, and we use that as a stocking toy for very little ones. It's a father, mother, or the children. It's a very, very simple product, and it's based on rice. Actually, Japanese rice.
I was going to ask you where the rice came.
We have a very, very successful brand in the U.S. where we service the company called Love Every.
Okay, Love Every in the U.S., everyone.
It's very, very good brand for little ones. It's 0 to 1. Now we are working on 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. It's a very successful brand in the United States called Love Every. Love Every child, Love Every.
What's it based in? California, New York, Dallas,
actually,
Texas?
no, they are in. It's a very small province on the Rocky Mountain. It's called Idaho.
Yeah, Idaho. Idaho potatoes, as a matter of fact.
Okay, they are based there. I don't know where is the head office, but the owners and founders are based in Idaho.
There you go, folks. Idaho, giving you a shout out. And Japanese rice.
Okay, and they are on the same. They care about education. They care about environment and where the material comes from, what material is used, and U.S. Consumer really appreciate it.
There you go.
Another customer of ours is in OEM, very successful, is IKEA.
I know IKEA. Yeah.
We do a lot for them, and we do a lot on OEM beside our brand as well.
There you go. So what else we have here? I like.
That's a train set. It's very cool. Our propeller trains and our trains that we go around.
Okay.
So we make the train set for the little ones. This is 18 months plus. This is the very, very little with wires and maces. And with here we have a castagnette.
Oh, okay.
We have monkeys who can come out of the box. Can you film here? Watch out! So we have the monkey coming out of the box when the train passed. We have a xylophone. So it's a little first train. So it's cool stuff. And this is a magnet train. So this is 18 months plus. And then we're going here to 3 years plus. This is more realistic looking, more real stuff. And also here, people winding their train. So the battery is inside, you're winding. You generate the electricity and you drive by your own handmade electricity.
Oh, this is like the old cars back in the day, like Model T when they cranked up the Model T back in the day.
Style.
Same concept. Okay.
Propeller train. Cool stuff.
Is this like one whole unit?
This is 1 unit, yeah.
One unit.
Comes like that.
Okay, but down here.
And here you can see, okay, where we go. Here we have New York, by the way. We have Berlin, London. We have Paris. We have here, have a look. You put a card in. You put the bottom up. You see here, and you look, there's two lighting. Can you see it?
Okay.
It talks about New York City.
Right there, because the light is on it, but yeah.
You see that?
Oh, I see that. Yeah, I see that. Okay.
New York City, so you can check your tickets. Beijing, then you check where is Beijing.
Oh, I see that. It's there right back here. I can see it. Yes.
Good. Cool.
So you have a very advanced R&D department.
Yes,
Looks
we are.
like very
We are.
creative. Yeah, you're out there, man. You're out there.
You can see we love what we are doing.
Yes, that's the important thing when you're doing something. You have to enjoy it.
We really love what we are doing. Good. Let's go further.
Okay.
I think I show you a DJ set.
Oh, DJ.
Just this year, first time in the market. We have a big DJ set.
Uh-oh.
Where's our DJ? Can we have the DJ in? Can we have the DJ in? Event Zone.
Okay.
He's the DJ.
Here's the DJ here.
Okay.
So, this is the one we're selling. This is the demo.
Oh, the mixer. It's scratching. Do you have a happy theme song? You need to make a happy theme song.
It's good?
Yeah.
This is the first DJ kit.
The first DJ kit.
So really 18 months plus or 2 years plus, 3 years. What is the good age?
2 years.
2, 3 years. Wow. Cool. Hold on.
Oh man. That's gonna fly off the shelf. That should fly off the shelf right there. Yeah, that's really nice. All your products are really, really creative.